Are you feeling uncertain, anxious, or overwhelmed by career decisions? Is college just not an option? You're not alone. A growing number of people your age are looking for fast, affordable career alternatives. Welcome to the world of possibility. Unity Dental Assisting puts you on the fast track to financial and career success in the exciting field of dental assisting. Enjoy a rich and rewarding career while making a difference in the lives of others. Change your trajectory in as little as 10 weeks and start earning a competitive salary in your new career. Whether you're just getting started or starting over, Unity's Dental Assistant Training Program is convenient, flexible, and affordable. Open a whole new world of possibilities.
I wasn't sure what I was going to do after high school, but I just thought I'd figure it out.
Many of my friends went off to college, but that just wasn't really an option for me.
One day I saw an ad for Unity Dental Assisting and I thought I could do that. That was actually 2 years ago.
I can afford my own place on my own, and I have my own car, and I see really a lot of improvements in my life.
Call or visit Unity Dental Assisting online to enroll today. New classes start every month, and financial assistance is available for everyone. Your new life starts here.